Hi dear students, the last class we discussed about pointers. Okay, you know what is pointer. Already last class we discussed about this. Pointer is a variable. It is one variable which holds the address of another variable. Okay, what is address? Address means it is a one unique number. Okay, it is one unique number. It is created by compiler. It is created by operating system. Okay, when you store any value in the computer, if you want to store any value in the computer, automatically the one address will be created. That address will be held by pointer. Okay, then what is pointer? Now pointer is a special variable which holds the address of another variable. For example, I am writing here this is int a. This is one variable, okay, which holds it is a normal variable which holds the value. It stores one value. Got it? It stores value. For example, how to initialize value? For example, 50. Okay, it stores one value. Then automatically one address will be created for this variable. In computer, automatically one address will be created. That address will be, okay, hold by pointer. If you want to know that address, what you have to do? You have to create one pointer. How to declare variable? How to create a pointer? How to create pointer? Same. Take one data type, then star p. This is nothing but one pointer. If you want to see the address of a, if you want to see the address of a, what you have to do? How you have to assign? How to assign the pointer? How to assign the pointer? By using address operator. By using address operator, you have to assign the pointer p equal to and a. If you like this means, okay, then if you write a cout p, cout p means, okay, automatically the address will be, you are getting address. Got it? Okay, one thing you have to remember, see, always when you create in a computer, one memory will be created. It stores 50. Automatically for this variable, one address will be created. That is always it is in a binary number. Okay, this address will be held by pointer. Held by the pointer. Automatically it means what? Indirectly 1001, it contains what? Which value? 50. Got it? Okay, through pointer, if you do the calculation, means it saves our computer memory. Okay, computer will be saved by the pointer. Okay, the first, then what are the advantages of pointer? Efficient. Okay, memory utilization will be properly memory utilization. Dynamically it allocates the memory and delocates the memory. Means what? During runtime only it allocates the memory to the variable, and after the running, after completion of running the program, it deallocates the memory. Okay, these are points you have to remember. Okay, in examination so many times kedidane. See, what is the difference between normal variable and pointer variable? Normal variable, it holds the value, but pointer variable, what is the difference? Pointer variable, it holds the address of that value. Okay, address of that variable. Okay, then how to assign, how to declare pointer? How to declare pointer? Data type star. This is the indirection operator. Okay, star. Okay, pointer variable. Then how to assign pointer? P equal to, by using address operator, p equal to and a and bari. Okay, this is how to write a syntax. Got it? Okay, this is about. Last class we discussed about this. Okay, then last class we discussed about the what is the difference between and star. And means it is address operator, it is a pointer operator. It is a pointer operator or indirection operator antare. It holds the address, but it holds the value. Okay, it holds the value of that variable. Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, this is what is the difference between and so many times name the address operator in pointer. You have to write it. This is a address operator. Name the pointer operator in okay, pointer operator and keltane. Okay, which is a pointer operator and keltane. This is your right star. Okay, this is you have to. Last class we discussed about this. That The today class, you know, then how to write one program by using class. By using class, how to write a pointer, how to use pointer variable in class. See, same like for example, hash include, I use string dot h, Tonio dot h, then class, I am taking the pointer. Okay, I am taking a pointer as a one class. Got it? Then take here, see, I am writing here private take int n comma star ptr. Okay, star ptr is one pointer. Then public take void input, then void output, then close the bracket with the. Okay, then now take here, you have take here void first to pointer. I am writing outside the class, then you have to use population operator. Input you have to initialize n equal to 50. N equal to 50. Then you have to assign this n value na one pointer through assign madri ptr equal to INN. ptr equal to INN. Then of output, I want output void pointer, population operator, then output ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ. See, output take output, for example is cout cout ptr cout star ptr. Then what are the output we are getting? Then void main, right? Void main create, how to create object by using class pointer p is one class. Then take p dot input, p dot output, then get ch, close the bracket. See what is the answer you are getting here. See what is the answer? n means how much value? 50 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ptr ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಿದೆ? ptr ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅದೊಂದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ is in binary number. Address always is in binary number. You can give any number. Okay, binary we can't write it. It is only understand by the computer. Got it? Then star ptr, star ಎಲ್ಲಿರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. These three values will be displayed by this program. Okay, ಒಂದು 50 ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ 50 ಇದೆ. ptr ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್, ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ptr ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಶುಡ್ ಇಟ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ದಿ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಆಫ್ ದಿ ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್. ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ptr ಬಂದರೆ ಬರೀ ptr ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ನೀವು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು ಅದ್ರದ್ದು ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಬರುತ್ತೆ 50ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ಸು. ದೆನ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ptr ಬರೆದ್ರೆ ಯು ಆರ್ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ಅ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ. got it? Okay, this is what this is about, a small program on pointer. Okay, pointer. See, this is how to declare a pointer, this is how to assign the pointer. Got it? Okay, this is you have to remember. Okay, the next one is a see. The next one is the array of pointer. See, array and a pointer. See, in examination they will ask you write with example explain the relationship between array and pointer. Okay, array and pointer. In array you know already array. Okay, in array how to use a pointer. Okay, in array when you are using array, okay, and then you, in program if you use both array and pointer, then what happen? Okay, that you have to study in this topic. See, write a difference the array and a pointer. You know array, what is array? Array means how to declare array. Int, you know, it is a collection of data which has same name, same data type, that is called a array. Array means if you write A of 5, how many elements it will store? 5 elements from 0 to 4. Okay, see, for example, how to initialize array? Initialization of array, you can write like this: 10, 20, 30, 40. Okay, then in A of 0, 10 will be stored. In A of 1, 20. In A of 2, 30. In A of 3, 40. In A of 4, no, then nothing. Okay, nothing will be stored. See, this is how to initialize a array. Okay, now I want the address of 10, the address of 20, address of 30, address of 40. Okay, idra address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. You know 10 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? in A of 0 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. 20 ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಆಗಿದೆ? in A of 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆ. Then I want these all addresses. Then how to write a program? By using I want these 10 address ಬೇಕು ನನಗೆ, 20 address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ, 30 address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Okay, for example, I want indirectly I want what? A of 0 address, A of 1 address, A of 2 address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Then how to write the program? Okay, you know the very close relationship between array and pointer. How to display the addresses of addresses by using array and pointers. Okay, by using array and pointer, that you have to study. Okay, see, I am just writing one program, then you can understand very easily. Okay, I am writing one program without class. Simply I am writing one program taking void main directive, hashing string.h, conio.h, then void main. I am taking one array A of 5. Okay, A of 5. Then I am taking one pointer star p, or you can take ptr also, star p or star ptr. Then now how to assign? Then you know ptr. Then array ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನು ಹೇಳ್ತೇನೆ ನಿಮಗೆ. ಒಂದು array ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಅದೇನಿರುತ್ತೆ, ಒಂದು n ಮತ್ತೆ I ಕಾಮನ್ಲಿ ಇದ್ದೇ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. Because how to accessing array? By using for loop with cin operator, for loop with cout. Okay, that's why must and should n ಮತ್ತೆ I common in a array. When you are first year ಕಲ್ತಿರಿ ನೀವು. Okay, first the n and I will be when you are taking array, must and should you have to take n. Then I am taking one pointer. Then how to assign pointer? How to assign pointer? By using address operator. Address operator ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಲ್ಲಿ? see p equal to and a ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. Only you have to assign A of 0. A of A means only you have to assign, you know, array will be start from 0. 0 means you have to assign only 1. Automatically it takes, compiler will automatically takes the addresses, because you know array always it is a homogeneous element. Okay, for example, ಅನ್ನೋದು address ಏನಾದರೂ 1001 ಇತ್ತಂದ್ರೆ 20 address ಏನಿರುತ್ತೆ? 1002 ಇರಲೇಬೇಕು, must and should. ಯಾಕೆ? because array always it has a sequential elements, A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. got it? Okay, that's why you have to take only 1 and A ಅಂತ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. don't take A of 0, A of 1, A of 2. okay, just you have to initialize p equal to and A. The compiler can understand, it saves the all addresses continuously. Okay, that's why this is you have to remember. Got it? Then next you have to take cout. How many elements? How many elements you want to display? How many elements? Then cin n. Okay, cin n. Then take for loop. For I equal to 0, I is less than n, I plus plus. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು? cin ಬರೆದು through pointer you want to display. Through without pointer you can write A of I ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, A of I ಬರೀತಿದ್ರಿ, but through pointer. through pointer means what ನಾವು writing? star ಬರಬೇಕು, star ಬರೋದು A plus I. You have to write it. Through pointer if you want to display means, if you want to display the values through pointer means you have to write star A plus I. Okay, otherwise only by array means you have to write only A of I. Got it? Okay, that ಅದೇ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. I want to do 0, I is less than then I plus plus cout star a plus then guess h. Okay, then what will display? What it display? How many elements? How many elements means I am writing the see I am writing 4 elements. 4 elements means this is for reading purpose 10, 20, 30, then 40. This is for reading purpose, then it will display the result in display madutte 10, 20, 30, 40 display madutte. Why it display 10, 20, 40? I want addresses means just you have to remove this star. You have to remove this star if you want addresses. Okay, if you want addresses you have to remove this. If you don't want it, you have to write. Got it? Okay, this is the relationship between how to display the array element by using pointer. Okay, by using pointer, how to display the array elements like this. Just your one ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ star a plus I ಇದು ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನೀವು. Okay, this is about a array and pointer. Got it? Okay, this is about a relationship between array and pointer. Got it? Okay, the next one is see array of pointer. See, then so many times in examination alli idu bhal important karane explain array of pointer. Explain the array of a pointer. See, explain array of pointer. See, you know array means it is a collection of data, but array of pointer means it is a collection of addresses. Array of pointer, what is array of pointer? Array of pointer means it is nothing but it is a collection of addresses of same data type. It is a collection of addresses of same data type is called array of pointer antadike. Only array definition is different. Array of pointer means it is a collection of addresses of same data type is called array of pointer. Okay, I am writing on program, then you can understand how to write array of pointer. Array of pointer ಹೆಂಗೆ ಬರೀತಾರೆ? See, array of pointer I am writing void main. This is int star a of p. Paradre it is nothing but array of pointer. So only star ತೆಗೆದುಬಿಟ್ರೆ this is only array. ಅದ್ರ ಮುಂದೆ ಏನಾದರೂ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಂದ್ರೆ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ ಇತ್ತಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ that is nothing but array of pointer. Array of pointer means collection of addresses. Okay, collection of addresses of same data type is called array of. This is called array of pointer ಅಂತಾರೆ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ. Okay, array of pointer. Then how to display? I want the addresses of 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30 the address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. Then how to display the address? For example, I am taking value here int. I am taking int p equal to 10, q equal to 20, r equal to 30. I want these 10 the address to 20, then 30 the address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ ನನಗೆ. I want these addresses. Then what you have to do? First you have to initialize. How to assign the pointer? First in a of 0 ದಲ್ಲಿ a of 0 and p, a of 1 ದಲ್ಲಿ and q, a of 2 ದಲ್ಲಿ and r. Now you have to display. Okay, take one for loop. You know how to display by array. Array means I is less than equal to 3. Okay, then I plus. Then you can write cout, it stores values of star a of I addresses. Only you gets here, then close the bracket. See what it displays first, value of star a of I. Star a of I means star of 0 0 ಏನಿದೆ 10 ಇದೆ, 10 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 20 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, 30 ದ ಅಡ್ರೆಸ್ ಡಿಸ್ಪ್ಲೇ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಅರೇ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್. ಅರೇ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಅ ಕಲೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಡ್ರೆಸಸ್. Okay, in a of 0 10 will be stored, in a of 1 20 the address store irutte, in a of 2 dalli 30 the address store irutte. This is what this is called array of pointer. Array of pointer means how to store, how the values, these values you have to convert it into address. Okay, address, these p the address, q the address, r the address ಬೇಕಾಗಿದೆ. r address ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನು, 30 ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಸ್ಟೋರ್ ಇದೆ ಅಂತೇಳಿ ಅರ್ಥ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೌ ಟು ರೈಟ್ ಅರೇ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್. 3 ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಅರೇ ಆಫ್ ಪಾಯಿಂಟರ್ ವಿತ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಯು ರೈಟ್ ದಿಸ್ ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸ್ಮಾಲ್ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ನ ಬರೀಬೇಕಾಗುತ್ತೆ. ಓಕೆ, ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ವಾಟ್ ಟುಡೇ ಟಾಪಿಕ್. ಟುಡೇ ಯು ವಾಂಟ್ ಟು ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ what you want to discuss, what is the relationship between array and pointer, then what is the array of pointer. Array of pointer means nothing but collection of addresses. Okay, a collection of addresses. This is what this is you have to remember. You have to practice this. Okay, practice ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. practice ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗುತ್ತೆ. got it? Okay, ಇದು in array of pointer. Next class we will discuss about another topic. Okay, thank you for watching this video.